We have recently added new ASCO products to the shop site. Check them out. Here's what's now available. Two-way solenoid valves, 8210 series. Reliable on and off flow control for a wide range of industrial applications, now in stock. Three-way solenoid valves, 8316 series. Versatile and high performance, built for precision control. And brand new to our lineup, the high-flow dump valve, X210 and X223 series. Fully stocked and ready to ship, engineered for high-flow applications. So why choose ASCO? Expert engineering and high reliability design you can count on. Wide product selection with strong availability. We keep it in stock. And proven consistent performance across even the most demanding applications. As a Tier 1 ASCO distributor, we offer priority access, competitive pricing, and a dedicated ASCO product support specialist ready to help with any of your needs. Visit our shop site today and get your ASCO products fast.